Hello, it's Cici from HISINGY. Today, I'm going to introduce you how to register your drone with our application. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the application from either Google Play or App Store. And then the second, that you will find this white envelope inside of the box that you received. This is very important envelope. Please keep it carefully. And then if you open this one, you will see a long purple card that looks like this, which has 3 small cards on it. Since today we're going to register our drone, so we're going to use this QR code right here. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside first. And then the second is that you have to make sure that your drone has the battery on. So let's put the battery on. There we go. And now we just open our application, and then if you open the application from the left second bottom, you will see, and then you click this one, then you click add item, and then you will require the access of your camera. Then you use this camera to scan the QR code right on the card. Then you find it and then click search. Then we will find the equipment name that starts with Stargazer. Then we connect this one. Okay, it's connecting. If it's connecting, it will tell you from the push. Register now. There we go. And then if we register successfully, it will tell us. Okay. And then if you want to make sure that you have connected successfully, you just go to the settings, and then you find this inventory, click in, and then you already found your drone right here. That means you're successfully connected.